In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to automate intake requests. By the end of this short guide, you'll have a seamless process for capturing and handling requests efficiently, all within Asana. We begin by navigating to Asana's website. Ensure you have your credentials ready because following this, we'll be logging in. Once you're at the home page, enter your email address in the designated field. This ensures that the right account is accessed. You'll then click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to enter your password. This locks in the security of your account as you access your Asana dashboard. After entering your password, you simply click on the Login button. Upon successful login, you'll be greeted by your Asana homepage. From here, navigate your way to the specific project you desire to automate for intake requests. Each project in Asana is designed to keep tasks and related data organized, serving as the ideal vessel for automating your requests. Click on the project you wish to work on. Inside your project, locate and click on the Customize button. This is where we begin to mold the functionality to suit our automation needs. After that, select Forms. Forms in Asana are a powerful tool that allows you to collect data easily and structure it within your projects. You'll then be prompted to click on Add, where you can begin creating a form tailored to capture all the necessary intake details. Once you've created your form, think carefully about the questions that align with your request process. This could range from general information to specific details like deadlines or required attachments. As you customize your form, you can incorporate these elements to ensure you collect all relevant information from the get-go. Asana further allows you to integrate custom fields. This means you can incorporate existing fields in your project, such as priority levels or progress indicators, directly into your form. Think of these as extra layers of informational context that inform your project decisions effectively. After crafting your form to perfection, ensure every element is in place and click on the Publish button. Publishing your form makes it ready for sharing, so you can start receiving those intake requests seamlessly. Lastly, copy the generated form link. This link is your gateway to numerous request submissions. You can share it with anyone who needs to fill out a request, whether it's a team member or an external collaborator. And there you have it. A comprehensive setup of an automated intake request system using Asana. With this process in place, managing incoming tasks and projects becomes smoother and more efficient, letting you focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.